Shalom everyone, ate once again. For today's vlog, I will share you the conjugation of infinitive to praise or to glorify. In Hebrew, lishabeyah. Present tense, praise for masculine singular, mishabeyah. Ani, mishabeyah. Ata, mishabeyah. Hu, mishabeyah. Present tense, praise for feminine singular, mishabakat. Ani, mishabakat. At, mishabakat. Hi, mishabakat. Present tense, praise for masculine plural or mixed gender, mishabkim. Anachno, mishabkim. Atem, mishabkim. Hem, mishabkim. Present tense, praise for feminine plural, mishabkot. Anachno, mishabkot. Aten, mishabkot. Hen, mishabkot. Okay guys, for past tense, praised. Shibakti. Shibakta. Shibakt. Shibak. Shibka. Shibakno. Shibakten. Shibakten. Shibko. Shibko. Okay guys, let's move to the future tense. For future tense, will praise. Ani ashabeyah. Ata teshabeyah. At tishabki. Hu yeshabeyah. Hi tishabeyah. Anachno nishabeyah. Atem tishabku. Aten tishabachna. Hem yishabku. Hen tishabachna. Okay guys, this is the imperative or the command. Imperative, praise for masculine singular, shabeyah. Imperative, praise for feminine singular, shabki. Imperative, praise for masculine plural, shabku. Imperative, praise for feminine plural, shabachna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's vlog. Enjoy to learn Hebrew and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Guys, amo naman to dali kolkem ni Traiba Plugabashili, lihitraot.